Yes, you are
Shri
audible.
Guru, okay. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, and a good morning to everyone present here. I'm Dia Anand, and I'll be your host for the day. Today, we re-establish the fact that words and ideas build society. Words and ideas are powerful. Words and ideas change the world. No administration can succeed, and no republic can survive without debate and the criticism of ideas. I welcome everyone present here to day two of Vakiyuddha 2020. A hearty congratulations to all the participants that made it through yesterday's grueling competition, and may the best team win. Today is an important day, and it would be incomplete without seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I would like to call upon Neha Mahesh to help deliver the prayer song.
கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே அலங்கார தேவதையே வனிதாமணி பேச்சு கலையாவும் தந்தருள்வாய் கலைமாமணி கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே மரகத வளைக்கரங்கள் மாணிக்க வீணை தாங்கும் அருள் ஞான கரமுன்றில் ஜபமாலை விளங்கும் ஸ்ருதியோடு லயபாவ ஸ்வரராக ஞானம் சரஸ்வதி மாதாவும் வீணையில் எழும் நாதம் கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே வீணையில் எழும் நாதம் தேவி உன் சுப்பிரபாதம் வேணுவில் வரும் கானம் வாணி உன் சக்கரவாகம் வானகம் வையகம் உன் புகழ் பாடும் வேண்டினுடை பாட தருவாய் சொல் ஞானம் கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே அலங்கார தேவதையே வனிதாமணி பேச்சு கலையாவும் தந்தருள்வாய் கலைமாமணி கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் எங்கள் நாவில் சொல் சுவையே
That was truly divine, Neha. Apart from the relentless effort put in by the Bakiyuddha team, we have also had the constant support from our gurus and mentors, and it is only right to honor them as well. Now, we have Ahana from grade 3 presenting the Guru Vandana.
शीतलचरणं कोमलचरणं मञ्जुलचरणं मम गुरुचरणं मृदुलचरणम् अनुग्रहचरणं गुरुचरणं सदा स्मरामि प्रेमदाता मम गुरुनाथा पावनचरणं सदा भजामि शीतलचरणं कोमलचरणं मञ्जुलचरणं मम गुरुचरणं श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
Thank you so much, Ahana. With no further delay, I would like to present our very own debate secretary, Priyanka Kiran, to deliver the welcome address.
The aim of argument or of discussion should not be victory, but progress. Shri Karabhyo Namaha. I am Priyanka Kiran, the Debate Secretary from PSBB Millennium School, Oyama. Welcome to the final rounds of the 6th edition of the Inter-PSBB Millennium Debate Championship, Vakyudha 2020. This year, unlike the previous years, is unusually special because we're hosting it on an online platform. As we move into the final round of the championship, we invoke the divine blessings of Padma Shri awardee, Dr. Mrs. Y.G. Parthasadi Ma'am. I extend a hearty welcome to Mr. K.M. Sundaram, Vice President of Operations of the PSBB Millennium and LLA Group of Schools. We extend a warm welcome to all of our esteemed adjudicators, Mrs. Malati Santanam from PSB KK Ms. Raji from HLC International, Mr. Seshra Sai from FarmGuru, Mr. Subayu from Notebook, Mrs. Ganga from BVM, Ms. Devi Mukhopadhyay, and Ms. Arya. We're delighted to have each and one of you with us here today. Mr. Mahalakshmi Kumar, Principal of PSBB LLA, Mrs. Hemalata Seshadri, Principal of the PSBB Millennium School, Coimbatore, Mrs. Bhavani Bhaskar, Principal of the PSBB Millennium School, Kirkambakam, and Mrs. N. Mahalakshmi, Principal of the PSBB Millennium School, Kadalur. We're overjoyed to have all of you here with us today. So I guess for all of the technical difficulties that an online platform comes with, the one thing that we are truly grateful for is having all 5 principals of the PSBB Millennium School with us here today. A genial welcome to the teacher representatives from the PSBB Millennium Group of Schools. My warm greetings to our beloved principal, Mrs. Rukmini Sridharan, and our teachers and staff. And last but not least, my heartfelt welcome to all of the participants. This event would not be possible without you. Congratulations to the teams who have made the finals. Your efforts are truly commendable. I wish you all the best and may the best team win.
Thank you for that, Priyanka. I now invite Bhumika and Hiram Pavan to introduce the distinguished adjudicators of Vakyudha 2020.
Now, I'd like to introduce our adjudicators for the lower house. First, we have Ms. Arya Bhadankar. Ms. Arya Bhadankar has an outstanding record in the field of debate. She's a 4th-year student and the head of Symbiosis Law School, Pune's Debate Society. She was a finalist in the RVDT Parliamentary Debate 2019. She was a semi-finalist in the Australasian Women's Debate Championship 2020. She was the winner and was awarded the Best Speaker in the ILS Parliamentary Debate 2020. She was also a finalist in the COEP Parliamentary Debate 2020. She was invited to be an adjudicator in the St. Stephen's Mukherjee Memorial Pro-Am 2020. It is our privilege to have you as one of our judges, ma'am, and we look forward to gain insights on various debating techniques.
It is with great pride and honor that I introduce Ms. Ganga Krishnamurthy. She is the Vice Principal of Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School, Adayar. She is a postgraduate in English with a certificate of teaching of English as a second language. Vastly experienced, she has conducted several teacher training workshops. She has trained students for the Cambridge, YLE, PET, KET, CAE, and IELTS examinations. She is credited with the revision of an entire series of grammar workbooks for Standard 1 to Standard 8, titled Great Fun with Grammar by Macmillan Publishers. She has been associated with debating for nearly a decade now, was the team manager for Team India that competed in the World Schools Debating Championships at Singapore in 2015 and adjudicated debates at the international level. We are grateful for your presence and your support, ma'am.
Our next adjudicator.
Just a minute, I would just stand corrected. Currently, Mrs. Ganga is a PGT teacher in BVM Adayar. Welcome, ma'am. Yes, Bhumika, you can continue.
Our next adjudicator is Ms. Devi Mukhopadhyay. She is an MA, MEd, PGCT graduate and has been an educator in reputed schools in Kolkata and Bhutan. She was also a college lecturer in LAD College Nagpur and a lecturer at EFLU Hyderabad, where she trained college students in ELT methodology. She is also an assessor of language proficiency tests for Cambridge University under the aegis of British Council. She did a short stint at the Regional English Language Office of the US Embassy. In her long span of teaching and testing, she has enjoyed her interactions with her students and mentees in various parts of India and Bhutan. Thank you for sparing your precious time and judging the debates, ma'am. I'm sure we students will gain a lot of experience through our interactions with you.
It is a great pleasure to introduce the adjudicators of the upper house. It is a privilege to introduce Mr. Sesha Sai M. Mr. Sai was one of the first people to start bubble top can water in Chennai in 1994. He partnered with Coca-Cola to manufacture and distribute Kinley water and promoted and managed the largest mineral water factory in Asia in terms of capacity in 2003. Taking a sabbatical, he joined as a professor at Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, teaching marketing concepts and rural entrepreneurship for management studies from 2012 to 2015. He is also part of the Roundtable India and became the best chairman for the country. He was also named the best Rotarian for the Rotary Club of Madras during 2018. He also received the Pole Star Award. We are grateful that you have made time for us despite your busy schedule, sir.
Our second upper house adjudicator is Mrs. Malati Santanam. Mrs. Malati Santanam has a bachelor's degree in education and also has master's degree in English and philosophy. Presently, she is the senior vice principal and HOD of the humanities stream. She has over 3 decades of experience in various roles at PSBB KK. Even though she is an accomplished educator, she aspires to remain a curious student, as learning is a never-ending opportunity. She has conducted numerous workshops for PSBB schools apart from facilitating workshops on behalf of British Council and Cambridge English. She has trained thousands of students in public speaking, debating, and many more. Mrs. Malati is a reflective practitioner. She is continuously engaged in self-evaluation, and at the same time, she seeks opportunities for enhancing her professional competence and personal qualities to stay updated in the ever-evolving field of education. She was a recipient of the CBSE Best Teachers Award of 2018. She was one of the 33 teachers from across India who was honored in New Delhi by the Union HR Minister on 12 September 2019. Ma'am, we are delighted to have you as one of our adjudicators.
It is a great pleasure to introduce Mr. Subhayu. Mr. Subhayu started his career as a civil engineer with L&T Construction in rural Andhra Pradesh. On completing his MBA, he joined as a telecommunication service company and was posted in Africa for an extended period of time. Mr. Subhayu came back to India in 2014 and led the South India business for a Medic MNC. In 2017, Mr. Subhayu started collaborating with Achin to identify the gaps in the school education system in India and possible models to address them. He is tasked with ensuring the right mix of creativity, functionality, and technology with the objective of making doorstep delivery of education a reality in every corner of India, thus helping build a better future for the country. We are sure that the students will learn a lot from you, sir.
Our last and final adjudicator for the upper house is Mrs. Raji Naveen. Mrs. Raji Naveen is a Harvard-educated thought leader and an enabler who has stayed abreast of innovations and best practices that make learning visible. She has spent a decade in business analysis and product management with MNCs in India and the US before joining the education field. As a co-founder of Beyond 8, a new paradigm in education, she focuses on bringing evidence-based, systemic, holistic approaches to the process of redesigning and reimaging the education systems and making it relevant for the future generations. Ma'am, we are delighted to have you as one of our judges, and we look forward to hearing your judgments.
Thank you, children. We now request our Vice President, Mr. K.M. Sundaram, to address the gathering. Could you please share your thoughts with us, sir? We request our Vice President, Operations, Mr. K.M. Sundaram, to address the gathering.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning and warm welcome. Thank you, the adjudicators, for joining today's Good morning, principals, teachers, participants. I wish you all the very best. And I would like to say only one thing to the participants, what Mr. YGR said in the last Vakya Vidya. Sorry. You debate, but you don't need to be very aggressive. You put your points, make an impact, which only wins you. So just a suggestion, tone down the aggression and make your points very strongly. Thank you. All the very best.
Thank you very much, sir. We now request our principal to felicitate the adjudicators.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to have all of you today for our Vakya Yuddha finals. We thank the adjudicator for having accepted our invitation and consented to be the judges for today's finals. Thank you very much on behalf of all the Millennium Schools and all the very best to all the participants. Thank you.
So we would like to present to you a memento as a token of appreciation to all the adjudicators on the panel. So that memento will reach you shortly. Thank you. Dia, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am, and it was lovely hearing you speak, Sundaram, sir. Next, a general outline of the format of the day's proceedings and the rules and regulations will be presented by Vishnupriya Padi of Class 12.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Now we have the rules and regulations. But before that, we'll have the debate format for those who have any confusion. So on each side, we have 5 speakers for team proposition and for team opposition. The order of speaker roles is first we'll have the first speaker from team proposition, then we have the first speaker from team opposition, then the second speaker from team proposition, second speaker from team opposition. Basically go from left to right and finish the main speeches as follows. After that, we will have a 5-minute break before the rebuttal or reply speeches, during which the debaters will be allowed to discuss with their teammates regarding rebuttals. Next, please. Now, for the rebuttal speeches, the idea is that we will be going in the reverse order. So instead of starting with team proposition first speaker, we will start with the 5th speaker from team opposition. After that, we have the 5th speaker from team proposition, then 4th speaker from team opposition, and 4th speaker from team proposition, and likewise. Now, for the regarding the time limits, the main speeches will be approximately 4 minutes, while the reply speeches should be approximately 2 minutes. Now, the judgment criteria and marking score is as follows. The speakers will be judged on the following basis. Content, which will be for 30 points, communication skills and presentation style for 20 points, originality of ideas and humor for 15 points, confidence and presence for 15, analytical skills and logical for 15, and then rebuttals for 5, making a total of 100 points. Now, the requirements for the online debate. All participants are requested to ensure that they have the best possible internet connectivity. The recommended bandwidth is 20 Mbps. Video and audio must be in the good working condition. Use a headset to ensure clarity of speech. Plan for a backup device for the debate and an additional internet source, ideally 4G. And before the debate, the inaugural ceremony will be conducted, which has already clearly happened, in the plenary room. After the inaugural ceremony, the participants will be guided to the respective breakout rooms where the debate session will commence, and the links will be sent in the chat box. Members in the breakout rooms include the 2 teams debating, a teacher representative from each school, student and teacher moderator from the host school, and finally the judges. Rules for debate with considering the online platform. Videos and audio must be turned on for speeches, but should remain switched off for the remainder of the debate. Video must also be turned on for the time allotted for prep round. No third person must sit with any of the team members in their respective homes during the debate. Speakers should time themselves during their speeches. Within the team, communications can happen through any other platform. Speakers are allowed to deliver their speeches sitting or standing. For the teacher representatives, the teacher observers cannot change rooms in between the rounds. Teacher representatives from the participating teams are requested to keep their videos switched off and remain on mute. Now we have the general rules for this debate. Reading out from a paper is highly discouraged. All participants should be formally dressed, preferably in a suit, blazer, or smart casuals. Speakers must maintain poise and dignity and are encouraged to respect their opponents and their viewpoints. Use of slang, foul language, or native tongue is strictly discouraged. Cited examples should be from the national and international landscape. The reply or rebuttal speeches must focus on the arguments of the opposing team during the debate and should not be just the rehearsed speech. The time will be intimated by the moderator at the end of the third minute with a single tap and after 4 minutes of the speech with a double tap. At 4 minutes 20 seconds, speakers will be forcefully muted. The decision of the adjudicators is final. Now we have recommendations. Avoid using ladies and gentlemen too often. Personal anecdotes or experiences during the sessions are discouraged. Speakers are reminded to debate the ideology of the topic. The team should present the topic with each member taking up a particular aspect of the debating topic. Speakers should not digress from the topic. Avoid references to specific movie, political, or religious personalities. As far as possible, speakers should avoid the use of rhetoric. Speakers should not indulge in histrionics and theatrics. Refrain from getting personal feedback from adjudicators. Now the rules for the swing team. It must be noted that the swing team doesn't qualify for the finals as you've seen already and is merely a reserve team used in the preliminary rounds to ensure a multiple of 2 teams when a team is missing or unavailable. Thank you. Now we have the breakout room schedule for the finals, which obviously the links will be shared in the chat room. For the lower house, the motion is, this house believes that money is the root of all evil. The proposition team is the PSBB MS OMR, and the opposition is the GBKM branch. The breakout room, as I said, will be shared in the chat room box, and the adjudicators include Miss Ganga K, Miss Devi Mukhopadhyay, and Miss Arya Bhandakar. The upper house has the motion as, this house believes that augmented reality is more suitable than virtual reality. The proposition is our very own OMR team, and the opposition is PSBB LLA. The adjudicators include Ms. Malati Santanam, Ms. Raji Naveen, and Mr. Seshasai, and Mr. Subhayo Rao.
We now request the respective adjudicators and the participants of the respective schools to check the chat box and enter the respective breakout rooms. Once you ensure your entry into breakout room, then you can leave the plenary. Please stay in the plenary until you get access to the breakout rooms. Request all the participants and the adjudicators to remain in the plenary. Please mute your audio. And I also request the distinguished guests to choose a house of your choice and you can enter the room. The process will take some time. So we will first permit the adjudicators and the participants, and then we will permit the others. Please ensure that you also remain in the plenary simultaneously, and once you gain entry into the respective breakout rooms, then you can leave the plenary. Thank you. If you face any difficulties, please post in the chat box or unmute and tell us. The technical team will guide you. If you face any difficulty, you can say so. The technical team will guide you. Thank you.
your knowledge and after I believe the rule and procedure of the debate.